Dayton's mom's Azure Gray Bronco. Dayton, how did it turn out?
Oh my gosh, she's gonna be going crazy. I'm glad to give it to her, and it turned out well.
So she has not seen it yet, other than dirty pictures.
Yep, dirty pictures.
So,
but she's excited. I know she's been waiting a while, so I'm glad to give it to her.
You gonna take it home to her tonight?
Yes, sir.
That'll be special. Now, your mom is one of Wild Willie's biggest fans. Like she's a big time fan, likes to like and share all her stuff. So we really appreciate her. So tell me a little bit about the experience as far as she wanted a Heritage initially.
Yes, sir.
Why did she decide to go with a Wild Willie's Apex Custom?
You know, I think just buying the Outer Banks and being able to do her own things, give her a different, style than what just the Heritage package is going to come with. Cloth seats, standard, that were plaid, she didn't want. She wanted the roast interior, and just being able to put her own style and flavor onto it, I think was just the turning point.
No doubt. I want to review this bad boy. You want to hold this camera for me?
Yep.
Let's do it. So I love Dayton's mom, y'all. I love Dayton too. Hit him up for all your vehicle needs. He's killing the game with the accessory side also. What can we do here at Akins and Wild Willie's to be a separator? Because we know we see a lot of people trying to duplicate and imitate. We see a lot of people doing custom Broncos at dealerships and other places. And we know the popularity of the Heritage Edition. But Miss Overstreet was like, opportunity to make it more unique and more legit to her. So a phenomenal job, we feel like, in the Azure Gray. This is our Apex Retro Edition. So the Azure Gray, to me, looks a lot better than the Area 51. The Area 51 has a different feel to it color-wise. This Azure has a more elegant, premium feel to it. When you max it with Oxford White, the Ford paint code, with Azure on the front, emblems there. Again, in the modular bumper, there's no lighting down here, so we incorporate a rigid triple fog kit down below. This is our Raptor kit that we've made work on the Bronco. We feel that it is the best in the business as far as overall light output. This is a street legal light forward down below. But let me get out the way and Dayton just show them that iconic retro front end. Totally epic. Remove texture on this portion here, did Oxford White as well to truly cap it off. We don't like to leave out any of the details, so doing this portion here along with a custom Bronco side script here where we just did the facing Oxford White, we kept the perimeter and inside black, gives it that depth and dimension that we're looking for. Now we got the Black Rhino axle wheel in 17 by 9.5 on 35, 12.5, 17 BFGs. And the three of us, Dayton and his mom, did you even tell your mom about the white?
No.
So it's just Dayton and I, we were like, will we do the white letter or turn it inside? And we ultimately said, it's gotta be a legit retro, so we're gonna put the white letter on the outside, and it was a definite good choice there. This is the axle wheel from Black Rhino, -18 on the offset. So let's show them our stance. The other thing you're not gonna get on the Heritage model is a stance that is more aggressive. So it was important to her and us that we had a stance that was a little bit more outward. The BFG KO2 was the definite tire choice to do with. Now the second thing was this hardtop. So the Oxford White painted hardtop was a definite game changer also. Out back as well, we've got the Azure grip in the back. And I kind of want to hear what Brad has to say about this. Come on over here real quick. Can we ask you what you think about the retro Bronco?
It's hot, for sure. We love it.
I know I got to go.
Those wheels look great.
I want
Yeah, it looks so good.
Mr. Akins, Molly, and Tony, they love the retro vibe too. So he hadn't seen this one yet either, so I just wanted to see what his thoughts were on this overall. But again, y'all, Azure Gray, mine and Dayton's favorite. To me, the best interior combo on any Bronco is the roast interior. So we've got the two-tone combo with the blue stitching to match. You got accents throughout, the black with the brown, and with the Outer Banks, you already get premium components like painted door handles, mirrors, and side fender flares also. So a 2-inch ready lift kit. We're gonna do some power boards later, and I think Dayton may have a few more surprises for his mom. They have an old school Bronco as well, so we're going to do another video later showcasing the old school and the new school retro. So it all ties together here at Akins, whether you want a modern Bronco or a retro rendition, a covert or an Apex as far as the overall lift size, wheel and tire combo, we know what to do. We are your source for everything auto on the accessory side and vehicle side, service, body shop, full scope right here on the 60 acres in Winder, Georgia. You hear Winder, Georgia, you don't think necessarily of a destination place, but because we're here, we are your destination for every vehicle need across the entire country. For Dayton and Neal and Miss Overstreet, congratulations, and we'll catch you next time.